Hello everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the Mello group. Today I'm in Orlando. I'm standing outside of this 5-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage home. It is beautiful inside, so let's go have a look. If you have a large family, you'll really enjoy this spacious 5-bedroom home. You have a covered front porch and 2,634 square feet of living space. As you come in the front door, to the left you have your dining room area. The starting price on this home is $351,990. To your right you have a full-size bathroom with a shower tub combo. And your first bedroom. There are 3 elevations to choose from in this floor plan. You have lots of storage space here underneath the stairs. And your office. And your family room and kitchen are right off of your covered patio. You have a nice big island and then a breakfast nook over here. The laundry room's on the first floor and it takes you out to your 2-car garage. Some of your standard features include a pest control system and also a pre-wired security system. You have an HOA and a CDD. You'll also have cable television, high-speed internet, and a home phone line included. And outside you get a professionally landscaped yard as well. All of the bedrooms are upstairs, except for the one. You have a nice big loft for entertaining. A full-size bathroom. And your additional 3 bedrooms and master suite. If your New Year's resolution was to work out more, they do have a fitness center and a community pool. For the kids, there's a playground. This is the 3rd bedroom and your fourth bedroom. And of course, your master bedroom. This is a solar community. There's a lot of energy saving features in this home, including the water heater. You have double pane windows. The insulation helps you save. The decorative ceilings really add to the room. There's a walk-in shower. You also have the double vanity and the garden tub. So if you think you could see yourself in this community and would like to see it for yourself, my name is Amanda Haynes. Feel free to call me anytime, and I'd love to give you more information. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.